Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of boxing workouts. We're talking about a full-body experience, building strength, agility, and endurance. We're gonna break down some killer exercises that'll have you feeling like a lean, mean, fighting machine. Remember, this is just for informational purposes. So consult a professional before starting any new workout routine. So, buckle up, get ready to sweat, and let's get after it. First up, we're starting with the side step hand rolls. Imagine you're in the ring, light on your feet, constantly moving. Step side to side, nice and easy, and keep those hands rolling. It's all about rhythm and coordination. You'll start to feel those muscles firing up, getting loose and limber. It's about building that foundation, making you quick and agile, ready to dodge anything life throws your way. Now we're gonna start throwing some punches. Diagonal punches are where it's at. This targets those obliques, essential for power and stability. Imagine you're aiming for something just out of reach across your body. Extend that punch, feel the rotation in your core, and snap it back. It's not just about throwing punches, it's about engaging your whole body. You'll be building power, endurance, and looking damn good doing it. Alright, time to work those shoulders. Top punches, also known as uppercuts, are all about explosive power. Imagine you're going for that knockout punch driving upwards from your core. This one will have your shoulders burning, your heart pumping, and you'll feel like you could knock down a building. Seriously folks, this is how you build real strength, the kind that translates to everyday life. Now it's time to kick things up a notch with some punching jacks. We're combining the classic jumping jack with punches for a full-body cardio blast. As you jump your feet out, throw those punches. Jabs, crosses, hooks, whatever you're feeling. The key is to keep moving, keep that heart rate up, and keep those punches coming. This is how you burn fat and build endurance. It's a challenge, no doubt, but the rewards are worth it. Let's get back to basics with the jab and hook combo. The jab is your setup, quick and precise, then, bam! You follow it up with the hook, a powerful arcing punch that comes from your core. This combo is all about speed, power, and precision. It's about learning how to flow from one movement to the next, building that muscle memory. Trust me, once you start landing these combos, you'll feel like a true fighter. Get ready for another killer combo, the uppercut followed by the hook. First the uppercut, exploding upwards like a rocket, targeting that chin. Then without hesitation you pivot and unleash the hook, a sweeping arc of pure power. This combo is not for the faint of heart, but seriously folks, this is how you push your limits and discover that inner strength. Now we're gonna slow things down a bit and focus on balance and coordination with hamstring curl punches. Stand with your feet hip width apart, and as you lift one leg back into a hamstring curl, throw a punch with the opposite arm. It's all about finding that balance point, engaging your core, and maintaining control. This exercise is a game changer for your overall athleticism. You'll be amazed at how much stronger and more stable you feel. Remember those punching jacks from earlier? Well, we're about to take them to a whole new level with cross-body punch jacks. It's the same concept as regular punching jacks, but instead of straight punches, we're throwing crosses, reaching across our bodies. This engages your obliques even more, intensifies the core workout, and takes the cardio to 11. Now it's time to refine our technique with some jab cross combos. The jab sets the pace, quick and sharp, followed by the powerful cross, a straight punch that comes from your center. Find that flow, that back and forth rhythm, and feel the power build with each punch. This is how you become a well-oiled machine, folks. It's about repetition, dedication, and pushing yourself to be the best you can be. For our final exercise, we're gonna challenge our balance and core strength with side punch leg lifts. Stand with your feet together, and as you lift one leg out to the side, throw a side punch with the opposite arm. It's all about engaging those obliques, stabilizing your core, and maintaining control. It's a full-body exercise that will leave you feeling strong and invigorated. And that's it, folks. A full-body boxing workout that will have you feeling like a champion. The key is consistency, dedication, and pushing yourself to be better every day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment, And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Keep training hard, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.